All right, guys, so today's gonna be a little short video. I don't have too much to do. I'm gonna do the wiring. Probably gonna mount the battery box just to see where I want to put it. I did actually fix my OSHA certified light hanging, as well as picked up 2 more lights. So working towards getting better lighting. I'm still probably gonna have to pick up some studio lighting or something just to put outside when I'm working in the back, but we're getting there. In the last video, you know, we were doing the dashboard. I do have the second layer almost worked out. I might have to put one more, I'm not sure. I really don't want to, but we're gonna see. Also, in the last video, I was using a 2x4 as a sanding block, and it just was not cutting it. So I did pick up a sanding block, Harbor Freight special. Why not? I was already there grabbing the lighting. I'm going to get the dashboard finished, ready to be flocked. There's not a whole lot left to do. All of this is pretty much flat. I do have a little bit of sanding in this area to do, and then all of this and all of this catastrophe, but I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get to work so I can get out of here and go home. It's been a long day. It's done. This thing is done. Kind of looks like a little dancing person. I like it. I feel like it's gonna give it character, even though ain't nobody ever gonna see it besides me ever again, and anybody who watches this video. But yeah, with that being said, I am going to jump into putting the battery cables inside this car, getting them run up, getting the junction block set up, get it ready to drop a battery into it. Maybe then I can actually get this window down and make things a lot easier. I might just hook up a power probe to it. I'm not sure yet, but I probably should have done that to begin with, is just hook up a power probe to it and just drop the window. I didn't really think that far into it. Okay, so I got the battery cable run back here. I am really stoked on these quick disconnects though. I'm curious how they're gonna work out. Only one way to find out though. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I did not get the battery tray installed. As you can see, I do have the holes marked, but I just grabbed the charger out of my truck. My drill died, so very uneventful. So as you can see, I actually have the interior panels out of the car. They're in great shape, you know, not broken. I got new clips for everything on the back and all that, but I am going to be flocking these at the same time that I flock the dash, I'm going to be flocking the center console and this. I kind of wanted to just keep it uniform. You know, if I'm going to flock one thing on the interior that's going to transition into some shiny piece of plastic, I figured that it would be better off for me to just flock it everything. I mean, flock it, right? It's wildly corny, but no, I am retaining stock interior. This is going to be a stock full interior car. I am not compromising that whatsoever. And you know, once I get around to actually repairing the door panels, which now that I have some better lighting in here, you can see a little bit better, but you know, they all break right here. And I'm going to be fiberglassing the back of them, doing a whole reinforcement just to retain the stock shape. I might rewrap the vinyl, I don't know, but as far as where it actually makes contact with the dashboard, which is this part, I'm probably going to flock it. So I am probably going to end up flocking this as well. I just think it's going to be a lot cleaner to be everything uniform and all done at one time. So I'm not taking the door panels off to do the flocking because I do want to do a whole video on repairing the door panels. I want to do a whole video on repairing the door panels. So I am going to end up doing that and flocking the door panels at the time that I do that video, because still I don't know how, or you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as the door panels. I've never fixed a set of S14 door panels, and I don't even know what's gonna be involved. And if it's anything like doing Civic ones, man, I'm out. I might just pay somebody, but you know, that's not the theme of the channel, is paying somebody. The theme of the channel is I'm going to do everything and get it all done by myself. And, you know, so I'm going to end up